Hey guys, coming to you from my living room in my PJs. Um, I've been holed up in here, social isolating. It's getting brutal. Hopefully, we get back soon, but we got to make sure that we are stay safe so that we can stay healthy, so that our elderly can also stay healthy. Because this virus is a bad one, and it can really do a damage to people that have medical conditions, people that are older, and so we need to do our part and stay home. So it's a Wednesday. It's about 10 a.m. Checking in with you guys. I'm in my living room. There's my picture of my wolves. There it is, my wolves. Um, I'm putting another enrichment on there. Those of you guys that did the Jane Goodall video, that was awesome. She is a words of wisdom during this time. And you'll see leaders just start to rise during these um, tough times here. The next concept I want to talk to you about is called tragedy of the commons. And again, this is all optional. This is if you're bored at home or your mom is making you do work, saying, "Hey, do some work." Getting tired of you being around the house. So then you're here and you're listening to Mr. Adamucci and you're listening to me blabble. If you got other stuff, you do not have to do this assignment at all. The video on YouTube. And Tragedy of the Commons is applying today. You guys gone to the grocery store and realized that there's no toilet paper, not a lot of supplies, not a lot of soap, hand sanitizer? People are hoarding. We call this hoarding because they want to have their short-term benefit, where some people are panicking and so they steal a bunch of supplies for their short-term gain in lieu of everybody else. And it's actually, before you get mad at people, it's a human condition. We've been doing this for years. Easter Island went under because people were taking too much resources, and Easter Island was an island of natives there that ran out of resources because of this tragedy of the commons that they didn't know about. This is why we put limits on fishing. People used to clear out rivers with a bunch of fish, over hunting. Hey, I'll take 10 fish and freeze 3 of them. All right? And not give any to anybody else. So, tragedy of the commons is the short-term benefit for one individual, which sacrifices the long-term benefit for the whole community. Think about pollution. I can burn stuff and put pollution into the air. It's only a little bit of pollution, and I get heat. But that if I do that, and that person does that, and that person does that, all of a sudden it's a long-term pollution for everybody. So that is basically what we mean when we talk about tragedy of the commons. Um, so feel free to look at this video. I've been playing here on my computer. I put this on for you. I put questions with it. If you're having trouble with the YouTube link, what you can do is try another computer. Try to take restrictions off your computer, restart your computer if you need to, or access it from your phone. Access from your phone the video as well. Okay, it's on YouTube. It's a TED Talks Tragedy of the Commons, and I also have it on Canvas, and I put it on YouTube for you. Okay, I miss you guys. Hang in there. It looks like April 14th. I'll be seeing you as of right now. That could change, but we'll hang in there. We'll get through this. All right. Miss you all. Enjoying sleeping in, but man, miss all of you. Okay. Bye.